Very bad news again. Actors, social media influencers booked for promoting illegal betting apps. A total of 25 celebrities and social media influencers were booked by the Cyberabad police for allegedly promoting illegal betting and gambling apps, leading to financial distress among the public. As per the FIR copy, the Hindu newspaper reported that actors Rana Daggubati, Prakash Raj, Vijay Deverakonda, Manchu Lakshmi, Pranitha, Nidhi Agarwal were among those named for endorsing these platforms through pop-up ads and social media posts. Influencers including Harsha Sai, so there's a big list. All these people are being booked under FIR was filed against them. The case was registered under sections 318 clause 4 and 112 read with section 49 of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. So 318 clause 4 and section 112 read with section 49 of BNS, and also the case was booked along with BNS, Telangana Gaming Act and IT Act also. Telangana Gaming Act and Information Technology Act also. So this is a bad news that is coming up. This should not have happened. When celebrities and influencers endorse certain things, they should have thought of, given a proper thought of what they are doing, rather than promoting this type of things.